because
You will be
time is short. Yes, now recording. Yes, welcome to the mock trial class, and people, those who are there, please participate. Mute all. Yes, I muted everybody. Now you can Kolikandas, Sharad Babu, you can open it. Then you can now start it. Your class. Yes. Yes, you can start it now. Yeah.
Please do your quick answers. Who said a tryst with destiny, a movement which comes but rarely in history when we step out from the old to the new, when an age ends and when the soul of a nation long suppressed finds utterance. Whose quote is it? Quick answer.
You have to quick answer. We don't read the options because already we discussed this thing. Yes.
Jawaharlal Nehru. Option 2 is the correct answer.
Ganesh, who said you can mark it so that you could know it? Who said these words? Yes. Then
Jawaharlal Nehru is the correct answer.
Yes.
Next question, please.
Third question.
Move the sharing, sir. Screen sharing.
Yeah. Third question. You read.
Yes, sir. It is not visible.
Yeah, no matter because they don't know whose photograph it is. Yeah.
Okay. Who wrote An Era of Darkness and the Battle of Belonging?
There are 4 options is there. You have to give the answer immediately. If not, we will give the answer.
Shashi Tharoor, sir.
Yes, very good.
Yes,
you can now you can mark yourself. Option 3 is the right answer. Next.
Option 3 is the right answer.
5th question.
Yes. On 15th
of course, this is an easy question.
It's 2, sir. It's 2, sir.
Yes.
75th.
Yeah. Now the 7th question you can make it out.
Deleted. Yes. Next, sir. Yes. Indian Standard Time introduced on September 15.
You don't read. You have to give the answer because they could see the screen. They could see the screen. That's why they have to give the answer.
Yes.
They are not giving the answer. September 1, 1947.
Is the correct answer. September 1, 1947.
Yes. And now you read the 8th one.
Who?
8th one you read.
Yes, sir. It is not visible.
Yes, now it is visible.
The creator of the character of James Bond is?
Immediately.
Roger Moore, sir.
No, Ian Fleming. It is the answer.
Ian Fleming. Ian Fleming.
Okay.
Yes, next. 9th question.
Who created the character of Sherlock Holmes?
Immediately, because already we dealt it.
One Sir Arthur Conan Doyle.
Yes, that is the answer. Yes. Next.
Next question.
10th question.
Yes. Don Quixote was written by?
Yes, 4 options are there. You have to pick out immediately.
Option 2.
Yes, very good. Very good. You can now you won that. You won it. So now this is one set is over. Then another set I am starting it because randomly that I can made it out. And now let us see that. Yes. Yeah, this set we will see that how you can use. Yeah. Yes, you can also deal Kolkanda. You can deal this.
Yes. Second, that is what is FIR?
Yes, immediately.
Option 2 is the right answer.
That is a very nice thing.
Report.
Yes. Yeah. Next.
Third, provoking a person to commit a crime is called?
Yes. Immediately.
Provoking a person to commit a crime is called?
4 options.
Third option is
option 3.
Abetment.
Yes. You can try this one. 6th question. 5th question also you can try.
6th question. Yes. Juvenile delinquency is a crime committed by?
We already discussed this thing.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Persons below the age of 16 years.
Option 2.
Answer.
Option
Second
2.
option is the right one. Next, please move a little bit, sir.
Yeah.
7th
See,
question.
no, actually, juvenile delinquency is a crime committed by, we discussed it. If the woman is there, it is 18 years. If the man is there, it is below 16 years. That is the right answer. Yes. Next, imposition
of death sentence is called?
Option 2.
Option
yes,
2.
Very good. Very
Option
good. Now
3 is the correct answer. Capital
Next.
punishment.
Yes.
3. 9th question.
Yeah,
Eighth
read.
question. If a person cooperates with a criminal in the commitment of a crime, it is called.
Option 1, accomplice.
Yes,
Yes,
very good.
option 1 is the correct one, accomplice.
Yes.
Ninth question. Orders given by courts not to do something is.
Injection.
Yes, very good. Very good.
Injection.
Yes.
Yes,
Next.
injunction. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next, 10th question. What is the largest
India.
constitution in the world?
Yes,
India.
this is easy question.
India.
That is a very easy question.
It's
Next.
easy question. Indian constitution. And now, 13th question.
12th.
12th question. Indian constitution empowers which court to issue writs?
Option 3, Supreme Court.
Option
Supreme Court
3.
and High
Option
Court.
3 is the right answer.
Supreme Court and High
Option
Court.
3 is the right answer. Right. Yes. Then
Move, sir.
who issued the ordinance?
13th one, 3.
President
Option
only.
First, sir,
issues-
option 1.
President only.
Who issues
Option one.
ordinances in India?
President
Option
only, sir.
Option 1, President.
President.
Option 3 is the right answer. Both 1 and
Both
2.
1 and 2 is the right answer. Next.
President
This is
and
easy.
governor. Next,
14th question.
14th question. The following writ protects personal liberty.
Immediately.
Option 2,
Option
habeas
2, sir.
corpus.
Option 2 is the right
Option two is the
answer.
right
Option 2 is
answer.
the right
Habeas
answer.
corpus.
Yes.
If you are
Yes.
already thinking that answer, you can take it.
Yes. 17th question you read.
Option
16th
1 is
question.
correct answer.
Who is this?
Option 1, sir.
17th.
Yes, 17th question.
Trespasser.
Entering others' area without their permission is
Yes,
called
you are right.
Option
Trespass.
one, sir.
Trespass.
Trespass is there.
trespass. That is the right
Yes, that is
answer.
very good. The next.
Option 1, sir, 18th one.
Yeah.
18th, yes. Which day is celebrated? That is the November.
November 26th.
That is
Okay.
easy
That is the right
question.
answer.
Yes.
You can
19th
take
you
it.
read.
19th
19th.
question. How many lists are there under Constitution of India?
All the
Option
above.
4, sir, all of them.
4 is the right answer.
Here is very good. Now, next, I will go to the next one. Next, what I opened it. Yes. See, because I could not see. Yes. Who is there on the in the photograph?
Minimum number of judges.
Mirabai
Chanu. Mirabai Chanu.
Yes, very good. And who is there?
PV Sindhu.
Bronze medal in badminton.
Yes, badminton. What medal?
Bronze medal.
Bronze medal.
Bronze medal.
Bronze
The last
medal.
year. Last
Silver
Silver
Olympics.
medal in 2016 Rio Olympics.
Which medal got?
Silver medal.
Silver medal.
Silver medal. Where it is held?
Rio Olympics in
Rio.
This Olympics, Tokyo.
Rio.
Real Olympics.
Rio.
Rio.
Is it?
Yes, last Olympics in Sydney Olympics.
Is it Sydney? No. It's not Sydney.
Okay, sir. Rio.
Rio Olympics. Okay. Now coming Olympics where? Means 2014.
2024, I think so.
2024. That is 2024.
Paris.
Paris.
Yes, then 2028.
Los Angeles.
Yes. That is the answer that you have to keep it in mind immediately. That okay. Now find out is the next. This is plus. That is minus. That is apostrophe. Then what about this notch? What about this symbol?
Option 2.
No.
Option 4 is correct answer. Caret.
Option 4, caret. That is because I already told you, but I don't know why you are not making out. Yes, that is a caret. With the caret symbol is present in the keyboard of the USA. That is in which character that the symbol would be presented on the keyboard. Caret, which symbol that will be provided on the keyboard? No, you are not taking.
6.
That is
Under
under figure
up.
6 up. Under figure 6 up. See here, it is given there. Under 6 up, there is a caret is there. And they may ask you that another question. Even the at the rate of which symbol?
2 up, sir.
Exclamation 1. Hash 3. Dollars 4. Percentage 5.
5.
Character. Caret 6. Ampersand 7.
7.
Asterisk.
8.
What is ninth? What is ninth upper?
Open bracket, sir.
That is called a starter. And what is the 0?
Stopper.
Arrester. Then what is the next one? What is the next one?
Underscore.
Is the underscore. Then what is the is equal to up?
Plus, sir.
Yes? Plus.
Plus.
What is the below here? Below here. This one.
Opening
Plus.
bracket. Okay. Opening brace.
No.
Opening
This is
cover bracket, sir. Opening of cover bracket.
Yes, I appreciate. What is the lower one? Both.
Opening of bracket, sir.
Opening of?
Bracket.
Not bracket. There is a specific name is there. Square bracket.
Square bracket, correct, sir.
What about the here cursor here?
Less than.
Greater.
Pardon?
Greater.
Less than, greater than.
Greater.
Then in the brackets I am speaking. In the brackets I am speaking. Angle bracket.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
I
Thank you.
already told you, but I don't know why you are.
Next question.
Yes, sir. Now next I will switch on to the another one, because today that I made it, I am going to make it out to you again. I will make it out. This. Yes, bears. The group of the bears. I already told you that.
Yes,
Sloth. Sloth or a sleuth. Yes, sir. Then a group of chimpanzees. Taking so much time. Community. Then the group of the camels.
Correct, sir.
Caravan.
Caravan.
And the group of the frogs. Because sir, Kolkonda already dealt.
Army.
Army.
See, and the group of these giraffes.
Correct, sir.
Group of owls.
Tower, that is tower. Okay.
Group
this,
of owls.
Yeah, group of owls. Now I'm coming one after another. I'm coming.
Parliament.
Group
Parliament.
of jellyfish. See, it is given a smack. Group of jellyfish. And this is about the crows. Murder.
Murder.
You call a murder of crows. Then what about the dolphins? Group of dolphins.
Pod.
Pod. Pod. Yes. What about this porcupines? Group of the porcupines. They given prickle. They call the prickle. What about the hippopotamus? Yes, it is given hippopotamus. Bloat. B-L-O-A-T, bloat. Then what about this foxes? Skulk. What is the female fox? What do you say the female fox?
Vixen.
Vixen. Yes, we already discussed. What about the leopard? Cheetah. Here again, collision. The called. Then what about these lions? Pride. Lions are pride. And nobody is giving the answer. Yes, now all already that Kolkonda has given. What do you call the owls?
Parliament.
Yes.
Owls. Parliament.
Parliament. That is the answer. What about the parrot?
Remember, especially Parliament, Pride, Murder, and Army.
They are very much important. And another thing with vultures. Venu. V-E-N-U-E. Venu. What about the parrot?
Venue.
Parrot is given as a pandemonium. Then now you tell me, parrot lower jaw opens or upper jaw moves? Parrots lower jaw moves or upper jaw moves?
Upper jaw.
Upper jaw moves. Yeah. And parrots vocal cord, like whose vocal cord? Human being. Vocal cord. Vocal cord means they can speak like human being. Utters. The group of utters are called which? Ramp. R-O-M-P, ramp. Then what about this rhinoceros? Rhinos. It is called crash. The crash of rhinos we can see over here. There are 2 types of the rhinos are there. What are the types? one horn rhino and two horn rhino is there. One horn rhino, two horn rhinos are there. Both are there. And what about these hens and roosters? We already said brood. And what about this kangaroo? Mob of kangaroo. Then what about these? Already told you that eagles. I discussed. And the spelling is, you are keeping quiet, I don't know. That means, are you hearing me or not? Are
Hearing,
you
sir,
hearing
hearing.
me or not?
Hearing, sir,
Yes, sir.
hearing, sir. Continue, sir.
Then when you are hearing, why you are keeping it, not giving the answer to at least one of my question? But I already discussed this thing. But at least you tell me what is that? Yes? I told you already that Venu. Spelling? Spelling? It means you are not hearing me because nobody is giving the answer to my question. Yes?
Hearing.
Venue. Yeah, sir, disappeared. So this is the thing which I want to share with you. And actually, the thing is, part A is, and let me come to the point again because this I shifted it. I want to deal with some other thing, but I don't know where I could get it. A PhD pixels, yes. Now let me see this. Yes, who is this person? Anil Gochikar. What he is?
He is a priest of Puri.
He is a
Jagannath temple.
priest. In which place? Puri, Jagannath Puri. Where is Jagannath?
Orissa.
Orissa.
Very good, very good. And quotations and slogans. Yes, now you tell me. Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. Who said? So much time you are taking.
K. Gandhi.
Subhash Chandra Bose. No, it's M.K. Gandhi. He said by M.K. Gandhi. Now roughly I will go to some other things because I cannot deal everything now. Okay. This is very easy. When the thing is true, there is no need to use any argument or substantiate it. Who said? When the thing is true, there is no need to use any argument to substantiate it. Who said?
Option
Vinoba
three,
Bhave.
Vinoba
Vinoba Bhave said. And the greatness of nation can be judged by the way its animals are treated. Sorry, they are Maneka Gandhi, sir. No. It is M.K. Gandhi said. The greatness of the nation can be judged by the way its animals are treated. Then Deshamante Matti Kado, Deshamante Manishuloe, and everyone knows this is the Gurujada Parao. Yet now he says, truth is exact correspondence with the reality. Who said? Truth is exact correspondence with the reality.
Paramahamsa Yogananda, option 3.
Yes, that is Paramahamsa Yogananda. He said those options.
He wrote
yes,
Autobiography of Yogi.
Yeah. Let my soul smile through my heart, and my heart smile through my eyes, and I may scatter rich smiles in a sad hearts. Who said?
Again it is
Again the
optional.
Paramahansa Yogananda has said this thing also. Okay, now I will go to the, yes. Edison failed 1,000 times, 10,000 times before he made the electric light. Don't be discouraged if you fail a few times. Who said?
It is
Napoleon Hill,
Hill said this is. Edison failed 1,000 times, 10,000 times before he made the electric light. Don't be discouraged if you fail a few times over there. That is Napoleon saying. Change your thought and you change your world. Yes?
Albert Einstein, sir.
option 3, Norman Vincent Peale.
Norman Vincent Peale, that is the person that he made it. Now I will switch over to the other things. Yes. Yeah. And then time spent with cats is never wasted. Who said? Time spent with the cats is never wasted.
4, Sigmund Freud.
Sigmund Freud said this thing. Then give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 hours sharpening the axe. Is the woodcutter.
Abraham Lincoln, sir.
Yes, we need not to take that much time. Yes, from errors to error, one discovers the entire truth. Who said? Philosopher is.
Again, it is option 2. Sigmund
Yes,
Freud.
Sigmund Freud said this thing. And faith is a passionate intuition. Faith is a passionate intuition. It's a William Wordsworth said these words. Then again, I will jump from randomly. I can check it. And this is okay. Break what must be broken once for all. Break what must be broken once for all. That's all. And take the suffering on oneself. Who said?
Option 3.
Fyodor Dostoevsky. He said those words. Now let us see that spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without living happier. And who said?
Mother Teresa.
Mother Teresa said, yes. Then let me see that. Tell me and I forget. Teach me, I remember. Involve me, I learn. Who said? Benjamin Franklin. Is the Benjamin Franklin that he said these words. Then, okay, there is an answer. Okay, now, it is during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. Yes. Who said? He said by Aristotle. Onassis, I think. Yeah, in the end, it is not the year in your life that count. It is the life in your years. Aristotle. Is it Aristotle? Sigmund Freud? No, Abraham Lincoln said. This is not Aristotle. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all.
Option 1, Helen Keller.
Helen Keller said these are words. Then we will go down to the last point. Yes, because we will jump. Yeah, I did not fail the test. I just found 100 ways to do it wrong.
Option 2, Benjamin Franklin.
Benjamin Franklin said these words. Yes. Then it is one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself to forgive everybody.
Option 1, Maya Angelou.
Maya Angelou. It's one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself to give everybody. So even Kolikonda is getting the more marks, but other people are just silent spectators. They are not giving even though it is wrong. And who is Jyotiba Phule? Anyone?
As you are not answering, I am compelled to answer. Please answer, participants. One or the other answer. Why don't you shoot?
Even shoot, it doesn't matter. If it is a wrong also, doesn't matter. Who is Jyotiba Phule? And what is the force? And who is the wife of the Jyotiba Phule?
Educationist, social reformer, and Jyotiba Phule's the Savitribai Phule.
And he's one of the university named after her. Which university? We are keeping quiet. I don't know what was the reason. We discussed this thing. Pune University. So, okay, what is the university in Kakatiya Medical University? Who's named after who? Which poet and philosopher and freedom fighter?
Kaloji Narayan Rao.
Kaloji Narayan.
So you have to give immediate answer, but you are not giving. Yes, Bard of Eva. Bard of Avon.
Shakespeare.
Bard of Bengal.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Let the students, they are keeping quiet.
Participants,
They are not giving
it is
response.
for you. Before me, you
Students,
have
they
to
are
answer.
just keeping quiet. They are not giving the response.
Quotations are very hard.
Okay.
Not harder, because we can give anything. We can ask anything.
Yeah,
It's not
even-
necessary that
Even
we can ask the same thing
other
which is
questions
there.
also.
We can jump from one thing
Please
to another
answer.
thing
Please
also.
answer.
We can jump from one thing to another thing also. Okay, at least what is this sign and symbol says? Tell me.
2024.
Where?
2020. Rio Olympic.
France, Paris, whatever the down one.
Los Angeles
2000
2028.
Yes, that is the thing. Where we can make it out.
Los
Find the odd
Angeles
man out.
Olympic logo.
Carom.
Carom.
Yes, very good. Yeah, because other things are said to be the different things. And this is a Gilli Danda, this is Pachisi, this is Chaturanga, this is a Bambaran, and this is a Carams, and this is the. Yes, find out the odd man.
Option 2, sir.
Yes, it's April is the option 2. Find the odd man out. Chess, caroms, badminton, squash. Squash is
sir.
because their opponent side it will not be there, and hence they will make it out. So these are the things again. I will check what's up images. No, this TS Lasset. Okay, let me see this one. No, this is the only the thing where the citation is there, but I would like to show you the other thing where the model. One model I will show you because of the exam and model answer. MCQ Monday. Okay, let me see. This is given over there. Father of democracy. Yes. Father of democracy.
It's one, sir. Abraham Lincoln.
Three. Callisthenes. That is the. And who is known for the father of Ayurveda?
Charaka. Maharshi
Chanakya.
Yes.
Maharshi Charaka. Charaka Samhita is there. Written by him.
Maharshi Charaka, sir.
Maharshi Charaka, is it not?
Yes, correct.
He wrote Charaka Samhita also.
Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Option 1 is correct. Third one.
Who is the Iron Man of India? Sardar
Sardar
Vallabhbhai Patel.
Vallabhbhai.
Okay, now I'll switch over to the other thing. And who is the first woman hanged to British India? Here I have given the answer. Prithilatha Vadekar. The sacrifice cannot be forgotten. I given the answer also, but I don't know why the people are not giving its model. Okay, now let us see one of the model here, which is given. Pull is related to push. The same way, the low is related to. See, this is example. This is the last set
High.
exam, 2013.
High.
It is a high is the answer for that one. Yes. Which number would replace the question mark in the series? 2, 7, 14, 23, question mark 47. Yes.
Option 2, sir. 34.
31, sir.
34, sir. 34. It's 34.
34 is the right answer. Yes. Then what is the next thing? How many meaningful English words can be made with the letter TEBI, using each letter only once in each word?
1, sir.
What are the words?
BIET.
What is BET?
Byte, sir. BITE. Byte.
Byte. Yes. In a class, 50 student, M is the 8th from top, H is 20th from bottom. How many students are there in between M and H?
820. 8 minus 20, 16.
The mathematical calculation it is. Again,
Yes, sir.
like 50 students, M is 8th from the top.
M is 8 from top. Okay. 8 plus.
I think it cannot be
20 from
determined is the
bottom.
right answer. It
30
seems.
plus.
Because-
30 minus 8. 22, sir.
Okay, anyway, that you check it. The highest award Bharat Ratna was instituted in the year.
1950.
53.
53 is the right answer because they made it also here. This is, Maulana Azad Mohani is Inqilab Zindabad. I don't know why they ticket it. If they ticket it means it gives a sense. If they don't ticket it, then it will not get. They're useless. We need not to say this because already it is ticketed there. If they no ticket, we can see it. Yeah, this is not ticket over there. Okay. Who among the following has been awarded the Bharat Ratna in 2014? Is Vajpayee, Mother Teresa, Mahatma Gandhi, Phule, Baba Saheb Ambedkar.
Option 1, sir.
Yes?
Option 1, Vajpayee, sir. Vajpayee. It's a
Are you
Vajpayee,
sure?
sir.
Option 1.
Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let us subject to the correction. Yes, sir. Who is the first woman prime minister in the world? And we discussed this thing.
Yes, sir. Vajpayee.
Sri Lanka.
Margaret
Two.
Or night.
Sorry, sir.
Option
Bandaranaike.
4, sir.
Bandaranaike. The first prime minister of the world, I am speaking. And Santosh Trophy is related to?
Football.
Very good.
Sir,
What about the
football.
cricket?
Ranji Trophy.
Ranji Trophy.
Very good. I appreciate. Yes. Then what is the highest gallery award in the India? Paramavir Chakra? Mahavir Chakra?
Paramavir Chakra.
Yes, very good.
పరమ పదించటం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి.
Okay, Parama means high. Yeah, which
Chanipotam.
nation is known as land of the thunder dragon?
Option 2, Bhutan.
Are you sure?
Japan, sir. Japan. Sir. Bhutan. Correct. Bhutan,
Thunder,
sir.
land of the thunder garden. It is,
Bhutan.
no. Why we should have to go with the
Bhutan.
doubt?
Bhutan.
Are you sure? Okay. What is the status of India in UN Security Council at present now?
It is non-permanent member.
Non-permanent members now.
Non-permanent
But next year it is going to be vacated. What is the
Non-permanent.
RAM in computers?
Random access memory.
Random access memory.
Then what is USB?
Universal serial bus.
Because when you get the doubt, we will make it out. What is SMS? Short messages.
Short.
SMS. Short. I don't know. I could not get here the thing. Let me check.
Simple, small, spark.
Yeah.
Short message.
SMS because.
Short message service, sir. Short message
Yeah,
service.
service. The
That is
short
right.
message service is there. That is texting it.
That is
And
right.
MMS.
Multimedia service, sir.
Then what is
Yes, that is
RCS? RCS also there. Then another is there. You say HTML. HTML also going to be asked. HTML means
Hypertext markup language, sir.
Hypertext.
hypertext.
Hypertext markup language. Markup language.
Okay. That is HTML means hypertext markup language. And HTML used for. And what is a PDF? PDF
Portable document
format. You say PDF format with a portable
sir.
format something. And this is the PDF converter. They say portable document format. Portable document format PDF. Please note down because they ask this computer knowledge also. And www.
Worldwide.
See, it is clearly given worldwide. Yes,
Fund.
worldwide network.
Worldwide
Web.
Worldwide.
Web. Is it web or network? No, it's verb, I think. Full form.
Web.
World Wide Web. See, it is given. See, the World Wide Web, commonly known as web, is an information system where documents and other. Somebody's sound is coming very high because I don't know where they're traveling. They are traveling or somewhere. Okay, now you unmute and again mute it. And this is the. Then we will come across. Yes, these are the things generally we will come across it in the. Let me check any other thing because there are many files are there and who are going to sit for that. Yes.
Sir, inventor of computer, Charles
Done.
Babbage.
Doubt.
Yes, sir.
Inventor of computer, Charles Babbage.
Yeah, yes, sir. You are right, sir. Again, you ask in that same.
They have to remember.
Yeah.
One of the participants is writing a doubt. What is it?
Acha, what is anagram? Anagram. Here again, a word or phrase, a name framed by rearranging the letters of another, such as a SPAR formed from a RASP rasp. Spar. And a typoglymia. Can anyone read the scrambled words? Typoglymia, that is called. That is, then you tell me, sir, you can ask the, which scurvy disease comes with the vitamin, what deficiency? Scurvy.
Vitamin C.
And what about leukemia?
Leukemia is cancer.
Blood cancer.
No, deficiency in leukoderma.
Deficiency of
Iron. Deficiency in
leukoderma.
Okay. Then what is the Alzheimer's disease?
That is memory loss.
And then, okay, that is the memory loss. What about this epilepsy?
That is nervous disease.
Where the moocha powder wanted.
Sir.
Yeah, because they may ask from diseases also. Suppose if
One
the
doubt.
hemoglobin is less, then what is the disease
Sir,
that you will get it?
Participant is raising a doubt, sir. Please listen to him.
Yes, sir, please, tell me, ask me.
Sir, in Lok Sabha there are present 545 seats.
Okay, that is
But
the question.
in question 550 answer.
No, sir, the present, because there are nominated present Lok Sabha members, is it not?
that is the maximum numbers present.
Yes,
The Lok
they
Sabha
will
present
ask
consists
only
of the
the
445 members. Then 530 members are the directly elected, and the 13 from the Union Territory. Yeah, if it is a mistake, you can make it correct.
But in some other 550 are there, sir.
No. It is
Okay.
545.
That is the maximum numbers we can elect without.
See, election is
constitution,
530 members, and the 13 members from the elected from the directly from the differentiated, because they are nominated by the president. Then
Yes.
who are said to be the Anglo-Indians?
Delete తీసేసాను.
Who are said to be the Anglo-Indians? Anyway.
Born in India, they are of England's origin.
But their parents, they're born in India, they're born in England.
No, they are born in India. Anglo-Indians.
Okay. Then I will go through some other files, because this computer, I made the individual files. Kolikonda separate folder and Srividya separate folder. Mine is separate folder. Then I made such a thing. Yes, now we can see the medal tally at least. This medal tally.
Now I am confident that our students can easily write the examination and get good marks, sir, in the entrance.
Yes, and now you can see this gold, Neeraj Chopra, athlete. Silver, Saikom Mirabai Chanu, weightlifting. And a silver, Ravi Kumar Dahiya, wrestling. In bronze, PV Sindhu, badminton. Bronze, Laurina Borgain, boxing. And again, bronze, Indian team, Dilpreet Singh. So these are the things. Then another thing which I want to share you, that which I have forgotten because I did not get the time to make it out, because I prepared it, but I could not share with you. Then I am searching for the CC. Yes, this file. See, match the following country, state, part A with the currencies names in the part B with the ISO code number in parenthesis. Now you tell me, Albania, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Botswana, here, Taka, Pula, Gultram, and Lek. Which is the right answer? So much time here is given. Albania, Lek. Bangladesh, Taka. Bhutan, Gultram. Botswana, Pula. Okay, now you make it out. Bulgaria, Cambodia, Cape Verde, Chile, Real, Leo, Piso, Escudo. Which is the right answer? Here he given. It's a very disgusting.
Bulgaria,
IB.
Lev. Cambodia, real.
Yes. IB 2A 3D 4C. That is the right answer. IB means Bulgaria means Lev. And 2A means Cambodia means real. And 3D means Cape Verde, 3D Escudo. And Chile means C peso. So like that I prepared so many, and I don't know how could you remember these are things. Only it is a luck we can make it out. At least you can try the 13 luck you can try. Yes. See, one thing is the Eritrea is Nakfa. Then Costa Rica. So these are the things where I made 16A now. Down I can make the more things. Part A, Part T, Tanzania, and yes. Yeah, at least you can make it out. This Naira, Myanmar, Oman, Panama. Which one is the correct one? I think Myanmar is
Option 2.
which one? Naira, no.
Myanmar
Naira is Nigeria is Naira.
Myanmar is cat.
Cat. Then Oman is Riyal. Then Panama is Baloba. See, if you know at least one, we can manage it. If you know one, we can manage it. And South Africa, Rand. Thailand,
Bath.
then Turkey.
Lira.
Sir, Thailand Bhat is important and Myanmar's cat is also important.
Yes, because they are very much and Zambia Kwacha. Please remember. So these are the also very important when you want to make it out. So, somebody's sound. I have to make a mute because they are making the sounds over there. So now what I want to say is part A, part B, part C. These are all very. In the part C, there are 60 questions are there. So I would like to at least touch some of them. Part C.
I advise the participants or candidates to go from the easy to difficult level.
Yes.
And,
Now I am sure that now you become a very, very quick also in making the things.
And I also advise them not to waste at one question.
No. They have to immediately give.
Yes. They should not wait at a difficult question for a long time, and they should move to the next question. And if that is the marks fetching one, they can tick it, and they can go next. They can go to next question like that. First of all, they must attempt easy questions, and then the next level of difficulty.
Yeah, that is a very much important factor that I told you regarding the yarn is concerned. Only 5 minutes are left over there. Yarn definition is, yes, anyone? Immediately. See, I have given the definition, open the mouth voluntary while breathing or open the mouth involuntarily very deeply. So that is
Option
why,
2.
yeah, why it is called yarn and how it has been coined. Option 3, it is from the Junian in Old English. The yarn is called, and that is the meaning with yarn. What is the synonym for the yarn? Is a gape or gaping. An inflection of the yarn is, inflection means other forms of the yarn. When the root or reflexive forms.
All
of the above is the right answer. Yeah, is the yarning is a good or bad or a disease? Yarn is a normal thing. Yes, what does yarn mean in a slang? Something boring. That is the meaning. Whether word yarn is the verb, which verb? Is the intransitive verb. What is the intransitive verb? the side they are the, I think it is a railway engine is going or some other thing sound it is coming over there. Yeah. And the wood part of woman body induce yawning. Wood part of the woman body induce yawning. Eye tired, arms are exhausted, or hypothalamus of your brain, or lack of oxygen leg. It is said the hypothalamus of the brain is the yawning. And what cases causes yawning? All three can be done except one among the act. That is the involuntary process of the opening the eyes. No, that is not touch. And why do you yawn? How to cover the mouth? Yes, how to cover the mouth in yawning? I don't know whether we are present or you went away.
It's
Because
three,
nobody
sir.
will
With
answer.
the right hand palm.
Towards the
Oh,
mouth.
sorry, it's right hand.
With the right hand palm towards the mouth. See, here the positions are given over there. We should not keep the knuckles to the mouth. Palm to the mouth, right hand. That is the way of yawning. Then, how do you stop yawning? And among the following, one is not relevant. One is not relevant, I say.
Sir, as the timing coming to
Yes.
close,
Yeah, it is going to close.
request
You
you
give
to
some
give
hints.
some.
Please give the
I
hints to them.
request you to give some suggestions or advice to students, sir, because 2 minutes, I think.
Yeah, the best. They are the best teachers, and they can guide us very nicely because we are made an attempt, but we tried in the several ways, in several angles. The way of the questions will be asked over there. We touched from the x-axis and y-axis and z-axis in all three dimensions. We did it, and now your brain is in such a way. If any type of the question will be there, I am sure that you will go to the use your sixth sense and directly you will strike the bull eye. That much confidence that I got it. Those who heard my all lectures and those who heard even watched the YouTube entirely. And I'm sure that you will definitely will score not less than 60%. That's my view. 60 is a common thing because we trained in such a way to you, and now you can go to the extent even you can make your intuition and you can make your choices also that will become true. Yes, you can say.
Sometimes guessing also is needed.
Even guessing, we can reach also. That is also one of the way where we can make it out. But anytime it will stop now. Before stopping that, I would like to say that we are the three hosts. At least once again, we will remember that we are the hosts.
We will be the happiest persons if you get some good ranks in the TS LAWCET as well as AP LAWCET and PG LAWCET. Thanks for all the participants and especially to Muhammad Saab Hussain sir for giving opportunity to co-host, to me as well as Srividya to enlighten the students in this TS LAWCET coaching online program.
Yes, you can speak if anyone want to speak because still 1 or 2 minutes are left over there. At any time it will stop.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు టిక్కులు పెట్టుకుంటా పోతాం కదా సార్ ఆప్షన్స్
అంతే.
No, you will be served one OMR also. First of all, you can tick. I don't think that you will get a chance to tick because the invigilator may not allow, but just